Welcome everybody to part five of lab 3 of CKA exam. When I left off part 4, we were trying to get a service going based on the MySQL stateful set that we already created. Name of the service would be, let's look at the requirement again. So the service would be named foo-service. The labels that it will select pods based on is app equals MySQL 2 and port will be 3306. So let's go back to this definition of the service here. And the label would be label selector. Make sure that I got this right. Yeah, just a colon. Okay. So label would be app MySQL 2. But that's the label I put on the pods of the stateful service. Protocol is fine. 3306 would be the front end port, and the target port will still be the same because that's where MySQL is running. All right, so that should do the trick. Okay, apply -f c.yaml is created. Let's get SVC. Let's see the service is up and running. It has a certain IP address. Its port is 3306. It was 3 seconds ago. Let's describe SVC foo-service. Right. It's going to choose pods based on that label, which we already have on the pods themselves. It has an IP address. Port is 3306. And target port, and the port is also 3306. I'm not sure why it says unset. I don't know what that means. Anyhow, so in this lab we created a secret for the root password that the MySQL image needs. We created a stateful set with 2 replicas with certain volumes mounted and the secret mounted as an environment variable. And then we made sure that pods were running. Well, actually, pods were not running because of an image issue. That does not concern us. And then we made sure the pods had the right labels. And then we created a service that targets pods based on those labels. So, a couple of reminders. One is, if you're going through the CKA labs, make sure you go through the CKAD labs that I already have. There are like 65 of them. Those are all fair game for the CKA exam. In fact, it helps you prepare for the CKA exam. Not that everything that you do in the CKA exam are dependent on that. There are lots of other topics in the CKA exam that are easier. There's no dependency on the CKAD topics, but it really helps. It really helps, and they're all fair game. I hope you find this videos useful. If you do, please like and subscribe. That really helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And I will see you in Lab 4. CKA Lab 4 will be my next lab.